You're getting the information. You're getting the information. Let me remind the labor rights to my right. If you could move forward. Move forward, labor rights to my right. Can you move forward so that we can keep that area clear? All right, labor rights, labor rights, labor rights, labor rights of Central Kingston, labor rights of Central Kingston. You're active and strong for real. But I want you now to listen up as we continue in the upper house. We will bring someone who came from the bloodline of the Jamaica Labour Party. Another senator will be coming to speak to us. She is Senator Sherine Golden Campbell. Labour rights, let me hear it for her.
Show labour rights. Chairman Brown, thank you. Thank you to MP Impact Boss Donovan Williams for inviting me. I just told Nationwide a while ago that if I never get an invitation to come to Central Kingston this weekend, I would have vexed. I want to say a big up to my sister Rosie Hamilton and her team from the Raytown Division. I was a little late. I didn't get to chat with you before I came. But Central Kingston, you know, I told West Kingston a couple weeks ago when I was there that I was somebody who was nervous on the rally platform. So that experience made me a little less nervous. But the truth is, I am not the one who come to rile you up. As a matter of fact, I don't even think I can match your spirit. I see some older folks in the crowd before proceedings started this evening. And believe you me, them younger than me. So what I come to talk to you about is some things that have to do with the transformation that has been taking place in Central Kingston and the work your MP has done. And I want you to hear me out because it's not a rare talk I come into. So when I talk to residents here and I talk to some of the leadership, one of the main things they talk about is the crime and the violence that had so plagued Central Kingston. But what is obvious to me is that your Jamaica Labour Party leadership, your constituency government, your national government has not sat idly by. No one on the JLP side have them hands in them head or hold them head without any other action and just bawling for divine intervention. That's not how we create policy and make change. Your government, your leadership has deployed the ZOSO, particularly in the Parade Gardens area. And I was shocked to hear that you're coming from what, 22 murders a year to what? Almost none? Almost none? That's amazing work. We have made the largest investment in the Jamaica Constabulary Force in our history. And that doesn't just impact the country nationally, it has impacted Central Kingston as well. That is what has allowed the police to acquire the tools that they are using and the resources that they have to tackle crime in a way that they have never been able to before. You've seen your MP, the impact boss, and I call him. I understand exactly why you give him that name. You've seen him advocating for the repair of roads and the lighting of roads in the community to take back the night from the criminals. So Central Kingston, let me tell you something. I am very proud of our government because I've seen the results of the work that has been done and taught the truth. So have you. But you know, we know that crime is not just a police issue. It's also a lack of opportunity issue. Too many young men choosing gangs because they don't know any other way. They haven't been shown another way over the years that we have been going on with high crime rate. And that's why our government has so significantly invested in skills training, digital literacy, and youth employment. Through the Heart NSTA Trust, we are training thousands of young people for real jobs, jobs in BPO, in tourism, construction, digital economy. So where the young people are, just wave to me. Young people, wave. I'm talking to you in particular. Listen to me. Before I came down here today, listen to me. Before I came down here today, I went on the website of the Heart NSTA. And there's a link on it you can click on called Programs. Who know about it? Programs. And when you click on that link, you see the number of certification programs that you can get involved in. Opportunities also for you to complete your subjects and to get a high school diploma if you don't have one. And do not tell me that you can't afford it, because Andrew Holness and his administration have made those courses free up to the associate's degree level. And I also want to talk to some of those young, older people I saw dancing in here when I got in this evening, because these programs are open to you as well. You can go and register and learn a new skill, be trained in a new area. 3,000 of older persons have already signed up for Heart programs. So said my colleague, Senator Dana Dixon, the Minister of Education, recently. And listen now, I don't want to take up too much time because it's a big platform and my deputy leader has his hierarchy. So let me observe where I stand. I want to talk to you about something that I want to talk to you when you're quiet. You have to quiet down. I need quiet. Hear me. If you will permit me, I'm going to speak to you. I'm the eldest of three. And I'm going to speak to you the way I speak to my brother, Stephen. How many of you know Stephen? You know Stephen? And my sister, Anne-Marita, when they make decisions that end up with bad results. And it's the same way that I talk to myself too, when I make decisions that end up with bad outcomes. Central Kingston, yes, you have suffered for decades. But I want you to be honest with yourself this evening. Even the people at the back, I want you to hear me. I want you to listen to me, and I want you to hear what I'm saying. When you made the decision that resulted in that suffering for decades, ask yourself, what was the choice I made then? What was the choice I made for myself, my family, and my country? And ask yourselves, when things began to turn around, what was the leadership choice that I made at that time? Now listen, I'm a mom of three. So I'm a sister of three. I am a mom of three, and I have two bonus kids who are grown people today. So I'm not beating you up for making a bad decision. I want you to understand me. We live and we learn from our mistakes. But I am asking you, Central Kingston Labourites, Central Kingston No P, and Central Kingston PNP people who say them born and grow PNP. I am asking you, think carefully. This next time around is not an ordinary time. Think carefully. You have had your quota of suffering. Central Kingston, you have had your quota of crime and violence. You have had your quota of your families living in fear. You have been subjected to enough nice talking and no action. So Do not let them fool you again. The same ones that held the reins for 18 years are the ones who want to come back again after they turned their back on you for 18 years. Do not go back to the days of promises without action. Your MP Donovan Williams and his Prime Minister Andrew Holness and the whole team away. We are not a one-man band. I have some good colleagues in the Senate. I have some good colleagues in the lower house. I have some good colleagues in the councillor section. And we are all rolling up our sleeves to do what we can to help our Prime Minister to move this nation forward. So Central Kingston, we're building a Jamaica that is stronger, safer, more prosperous. So on election day, when it comes, when our Prime Minister calls it, I want you to show up and vote. I want you to show up and vote for the development you've seen in your community, for the work that your MP and your team, you have done in your community. Let us keep building. Central Kingston, you hear what I said tonight? Move Central Kingston back to the place of pride that it has been in the past. It had a hiccup, we made a mistake, but we now buck with toe again. Choose Jamaica, choose Andrew Holness, choose Donovan Williams.
Choose Jamaica. Labor rights, you hear it? We have a choice to make. Let's make no mistake. We have to choose the Jamaica Labour Party candidates. We have to choose the Jamaica Labour Party. We have to choose Jamaica. Labor rights, coming now to address us is a